Biz Matthew here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to find the perfect title company for wholesaling. Before we go on, be sure to like this video, subscribe, turn on post notification bell, and comment down below. Now, finding a investor-friendly or wholesaling-friendly title company can be difficult, or a wholesaling-friendly attorney, depending on where you live. I know in Georgia and I think North Carolina, they use attorneys. Here in Tennessee, we just use title companies. So it just depends on where you live. I recently got a property under contract. I sent it over, I just emailed it over to this title company that I've been working with for a while, and they sent me back the results within the next day. So it's so rewarding as a wholesaler to find a good title company that works with you, that can assign contracts, that can give you results pretty fast. And so I'm really going to show you guys how to find the perfect one, what to say on the phone, and how to search them online. So we're just going to go right into my phone. I'm going to search through Google Maps, and we're going to find title companies. I'm going to show you the process that I go through when I'm looking for title companies. So we're right here in Google Maps on my iPhone. We're in Nashville, Tennessee, and we're going to just type in title companies in the search bar, and that's just going to pull up a list of title companies, which we're going to call. So basically, I'm going to click on this first one, Stewart Title Company, and from here we're going to see their phone number, and you can click it directly from your phone or desktop and call directly to ask them questions. Now we're going to go to their website and just see if they offer different services, or they post on their website that they do assignments on contract or double closing for wholesaling transactions. So basically, over the phone with these title companies, you're going to ask, hey, do you all do assignments on contracts? Do you guys do double closing? Do you guys know what these are? And you're going to ask to speak with a closing agent, because a lot of times the person who answers the phone is a desk worker or whatnot. So yeah, we're just going to go through this list. There's a lot of Stewart title companies in Nashville. This is another company. We're going to do the same thing, just call them. And yeah, and then if they have another branch around the city, we're just going to be like, okay, so do all of your branches in the city operate the same way? If they do, or if they do not do wholesaling friendly transactions, right? And so over the phone, you say, hey, can I speak with the closing agent? If they say, hey, do you have a contract with them? Say, hey, I currently have a contract, a property under contract. I'm looking to close with a good title company. I just wanted to know if you all can do a certain type of transaction. So another awesome way is to go through Facebook. I just typed in Nashville Real Estate Network in the search bar, and these different groups popped up. So I'm just going to pick the first one, and what you can do, you can post something, say, hey, do you all know some friendly title companies for wholesalers? And you can go from there. So yeah, those are some of the ways I use to find a perfect title company, which is Google Maps. Just go through that list, call a bunch of them, hundreds of them if you're in a big city, Facebook groups, looking at different posts in the past with the word title company or in wholesaling or wholesale, and just putting your own posts up there to look for a title company. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. This channel is growing. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, and comment down below. All right, peace.